What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra tablet that I picked up from Best Buy. Now this is an open box. It's supposed to be in excellent condition. I picked it up for $438 during the Black Friday event. When they reduced the brand new ones, they also reduced the open box ones. So I got it for $438 and it's supposed to be in excellent condition. Now, you guys know I pick up the open box all the time, don't have any issues with them, and hopefully this is the same way. So I recently got rid of my iPad M1, the 11-inch. Just got rid of it. I was tired of it. I had it a long time, wanted to switch up. I have had the Tab S8 Ultra, which was too huge for traveling. Beautiful display, big, huge device, but just too big. I also had the 12 Plus, Tab S8 12 Plus. I got that with the Flip, the other Flip that I had. When I returned the Flip, I ended up returning the tablet. So I enjoyed the 11-inch on the iPad. That's why I ended up picking up this version here. Much easier to travel with, throw in my bag. And I did have the Tab S7 in the 11-inch at one time as well. So some of the specs on this before we take a look at it. This is the 11-inch TFT LCD display, 1600 by 2560 on the resolution, 274 ppi. The glass is going to be Corning Gorilla Glass. You got two cameras on the back of it. They're going to be a 13 megapixel wide, a 6 megapixel ultra wide that can shoot 4K up to 60 frames per second. You're going to have a front facing camera that's going to be a 12 megapixel ultra wide that can also shoot 4K at 60. It's going to have that 120 degree viewing angle on it, and that's one of those that will kind of follow you around like the iPad does. You got 4 speakers on here that are AKG tuned, and they should sound pretty good. You got an 8,000 milliamp hour battery. This is going to weigh about a pound, 1.1 pound. This is going to be running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. It's going to be Android, upgradable to Android 12L, maybe already on there. One UI 4.1.1. You can get this in 128 gigabytes, which is the one I have, 256. You can also get 8 gigabytes of RAM or 12 gigabytes of RAM. And the memory is expandable with an SD card. So those are some of the specs on it. Here's the box. I have already cut the tape on the back of it. This is the type of sticker they're going to put on there. Excellent, no damage, supposedly. You got the tablet there. And this is just the box. So here's everything included in the packaging. And open box experience. So we got the tablet here, and it's going to be in this little protective sleeve here. It says Samsung on it. You got your S Pen. S Pen look like it is in excellent condition. Right there, there's your button. So no problem so far. We got our see what this, oh, this is our charging cable. USB-C to USB-C included in there. They still giving us the cable so far. Don't think there's a brick in here, and I know there's no brick. And let's see what this is. So you got your SIM card or micro SD card key there to open up and expand your memory. Then you got some paperwork, so nothing else in there to see. And that is pretty much it on the unboxing there. Open box unboxing. So let's see what the tablet looks like. Hopefully, I got a good deal here. They did so far so good on the presentation there. They put everything back in there. So here's the tablet. Got some fingerprints on it. I don't see any scratches, dings, or anything there. So far, so good. You guys know I like to take and clean this up with alcohol. It does still have the film, the plastic film on here. So that looks good. That is a good look right there. You got your pogo pins in case you want to get the Fisher keyboard case. You got your speakers, charging port, microphone, 2 speakers there. Volume up and down, power button. This stuff is still covered up. There's your tray to put your memory. And then here's the back. There's your cameras. You got your place there for your S Pen. And the S Pen will go right here on the back. And there's the branding right there. So we're going to go ahead. Here's your front facing camera there. The display looks great on it. I don't see any issues with the display. It looks great right there. Let's go ahead and power it up. See if we got any power. Yep. So we got power. We're going to go ahead and get this to the boot screen and see what we got. I'm going to go ahead and put my information in, then we'll come back. See if we get to the boot screen. There it is. Welcome. All right, guys, so I'm going to put my information in. We'll come right back. All right, guys, so we're back in. I do have some of my information in here. I didn't put a lot of it. This is the wallpaper out of the box that you're going to get. Over here, you do have a Microsoft folder with some of the Microsoft stuff in it. You're going to have your Google folder, of course, with all your Google stuff there. Play Store, game launcher. Then if we go here, this is pretty much everything that's on the device. So not a whole lot of bloatware. You got Spotify there, YouTube music. Here's your drop-down menu. You guys see, I have already put it in dark mode. Out of the box, I did have about 2 updates, which brought it up to the 12L. You got different things here. You got Dex, Nearby Share, Smart View, things like that, call and text on other devices. And if you go into the menus here, this is what your menu is going to look like. Let's go ahead and see how much storage out of the box we're going to have. I haven't added anything on here, so out of the box, you're going to get have about 100 gigabytes out of the box. So out of the 128, 27 gigabytes are being used. Let's go ahead and check about tablet. Go to software information. So this is running One UI 4.1.1, Android 12L, June 1st security patch, and that's the 12L. And yeah, man, so this is pretty much it as far as the unboxing on it. I will come back and take a look at some more about this device. Let's go ahead and jump into Dex right quick. I like to use Dex on my tablets. Very nice, as you guys see. Very minimal bezel going around here. Should be great for watching videos and stuff. This is Samsung Dex. As you guys see, the UI kind of changed over here. This is where you get into your quick drop stuff here. If you got notifications, your notifications over here, I can get into a calendar. I can take a screenshot, adjust the volume right there. This is the current app that's open. Also apps that are open there. And this is all of the apps right here. So Samsung Dex. Let's go ahead and get out of Dex. Right there. That is closing Dex. And this is it, man. Unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Open box, excellent condition from Best Buy. All right, guys. Will H. And I'm out.